How to turn off subtitles on YouTube mobile. So, do you ever play a video on YouTube and you see the captions or the subtitles there and it just gets on your nerves and you just want to figure out how to turn it off? It's very simple to do. So go ahead to your YouTube, and I'm just going to let a video play here. As you see here, you'll see the captions or the subtitles at the bottom of the video, and for some reason, sometimes YouTube just puts this on, but you can turn this off. So if you were to pause the video, and you have some options here, you'll see the gear icon at the top right-hand corner, and all you have to do is look to the left of that and see the CC in a box. What that is the closed captions or the subtitles for the video. So all you need to do is turn that off, and you see that the audio now is not being subtitled on the video, so I can just have this play. And now you see that the audio is not getting translated on your video, and that's it. It's very simple to do. You don't need subtitles or captions on your videos, and that's it.